The Mercedes-Benz SL-Class is not exactly a sports car, or maybe it's more than a sports car. It might be called a high-luxury roadster with a retractable hardtop. It's not the world's first, because you could go back to the 1930s, or maybe even the 1920s, and find cars with similar aspirations and accomplishments. The SL-Class delivers elegance to go with its power, and, almost surprisingly, a gentle and nimble driving experience, which is something you definitely can't say about such cars back in the day. Today's competitors include such awesome cars as the gorgeous Jaguar F-Type and Aston Martin DB9, the iconic Porsche 911, the brutal Dodge Viper and the thrilling Chevrolet Corvette.